So hello guys, welcome to my channel My Movie Technical. So today I show you gree how to Wi-Fi use your AC, how to connect Wi-Fi in your AC gree. So first of all you download the Play Store gree plus. You see the first one, yeah, that one. So first you download. So now already I have done. Open this app, agree, sign up. First you choose your country. So we are here to Middle East. Yes, choose your name. So I can name use my movie, my movie technical. This is my channel name and user email ID. Okay, and put password like one case upper and lower. For example, this is I creating this password. Just I show you how to put the password. Okay, after that I will change. So this is a successfully login using this app. Okay, got it. Home, drive list. I don't have a drive list now. So first go to plus. There is a plus. What is your AC? So your AC is check your AC. I have a split unit, so I can connect here. Number one, this is a commercial air conditioner, portable air conditioning, window AC, RVAC. So everything here you can check, confirm. Yes. So now I switch on my AC. I show you the recording after I screen recorder finish. How do I connect? Just wait and see. Probably take a few minutes. You can you take your remote and Wi-Fi button. There is a Wi-Fi button. You can push your button. Just Wi-Fi mode. Use your control, turn off the air conditioner, place mode Wi-Fi. This is taking a few time. I'm sorry, brother and sister. So please wait and watch. I'm trying to connect. Choose your Wi-Fi. What is this? 1E6. 26 and connect your password, Wi-Fi password. So my password is Wi-Fi password. So check. So gree apps want to be temporary Wi-Fi to connect your drives. Successfully connected. Searching take about a 2 minutes. Please don't conduct other options. So guys, when this searching, you don't go back or do anything. So now my AC is connected. So drive's name is AC2659. Okay, so done. So my positive in invitation, this gree easy to use. Leave your rating. Just giving 5 star. Good. Okay, done review. So go back sorry, go back to the app. So this is the app I done. See the beep. So wait, friend, I take other mobile to my friend mobile. So I show you my AC is work. So guys, I already connect mobile ka thoda. See, this AC is changing now from my mobile. See, 25, 24, 23. So when you have a internet, you can on your AC before you coming your home. So this is a very nice option. You can see. Okay, you can change the also mode. You can big screen like this. Okay, you can change also. There is a mode option. See the mode option, cooling option. So now this is the cooling mode. You can change the dry mode. You can change the dry mode. So this is the very good option. You can adjust. See the my AC is going to the dry mode. So now I can move to the cool mode. See, coming to cool mode. So this is the video for today, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and bell icon open. Thank you guys.